channel. This is Deck Beauty. Yes, this my trendy style that I titled 3 minutes Gele. So let me explain. Many people message me on my comment section that if they can be able to use Sego. Yes, if you want to use Sego Gele to do any hairstyle, you can use it. What you need to do, because Sego Gele is more harder, it's more stronger, you break it before you use it. This one is already break, I break it. So this is Sego Gele. See the way to break it. Just break it, twist it, squeeze it. By the time you do it, up and down, you squeeze. Not just only Sego. If you have any ashoke material that is hard, that is too strong, this is how we break it. Now, is break. And the material is not softer. This is Sego Gele. And we are going to use this Sego Gele to tie 3 minutes head wrap Gele on your head by yourself. Okay, what you need to do, you just divide it into 40, 60. 40, 60, 40. The part of the 40 is more shorter. The longer part is more longer, which is the 60. Okay, this is how to divide it. Like this is equal, 50-50. So you take this one up a little bit, like this. As you can see from far, one side is longer than the other side. So the shorter one is the 40, the longer one is the 60. You take this 40, you take it, attach it to the 60 like this. Take them together like this. Okay, now you bring out your hand. You can tie this tie when you are standing. You can tie it when you sit down. Just grab here, place it in your head like this. Make sure you pack your hair very neat. Place it in your hair like this. Bring this part towards this side because we are going to create the rose in this part. If you want to put it in the middle, if you want to create your rose in the middle, you can just, you can put it here like this. If you want to create your rose this way, you bring your hand this way. But we are going to create our rose this side. So in that, we are going to, because of that, you bring your hand towards this way, like this. Okay, right now, you bring your hand towards this way. You use this one to grab this, like this. Use it to grab it, use the other hand to support it, and pull it out from this side. Pull it. See the way I pull it? Cover your ear so that your Gele will be firm. Cover your ear from the beginning. Okay, right now, once you pull it out, use this hand to drag ear like this. Then, use this hand to pull it. This is how I create my thumbnail. Okay, let's create thumbnail. Okay, once you take it up like this, then use this hand to pull it, drag it. Drag it. Okay, now it's very tight. Now we are going to create our rose. We are going to create our rose now. We'll now open this big one. Open this big one like this. Just open it. Open it. Use it to create rose. Take it. Create rose. Create rose. So we are creating our rose now. Pull it under here. Continue. Okay, right now you use one pin to protect here. Use pin. Use one pin over there. Okay, like this one, you can just open it like this. Let me raise the camera. You just open here because it's rose. Rose means flower. Just open it. Okay. Rose, 3 minutes rose is ready. This is with Sego Gele. So right now you pull it back, push it back. Now you cannot bring out your ear. Push it back. You can shift it. Now you can just position the rose the way you want it. You can position it the way you like it. Yes, if you observe any strange thing, you can use your pin tool. Just like this part now, you can just use one pin over there. Okay, that is Sego 3 minutes rose Gele. Easy and quick. Yes, this is the final. This is the final. This is the final. Thank you. Bye.